Yeah, man. I mean, you hit the nail on the head there, Carlos, right? So there's tons of free content out there for you to educate yourself on your personal credit. Okay. So make the investment in yourself, whether that's time or money. I'd recommend time, right?
Yeah.
As far as your personal credit goes. And then when your business credit, like, listen, we're here to help you. We're here to make sure that you establish your business credit correctly. You do the right things. As I said before, the most expensive thing that you're going to do is the thing that you have to do twice. We want to make sure that you do that thing once, right?
Yeah.
You want to make sure that you're building your business credit. You're getting approved for the funding. It's the number one reason why businesses fail in the United States is just purely a lack of capital, right?
Mhm.
So when you're able to have those finances on hand, that allows you to not have to worry about the what ifs, right? So I know there's a lot of people out there who are in construction, they're in trucking, they're real estate investors, right? Who rely on that paycheck on that specific date. But what happens if that doesn't happen, right? What are you stuck with? Well, now you've got to pay your people. If you don't have any people, you have to pay yourself. You have to pay your own personal expenses. So it's always nice to have that security blanket behind you just in case something were to happen.
True.
And that's really all I've got to say about understanding your personal credit and the importance behind it, and that really that safety blanket you can wear on your back and know, listen, hey, if things get rough, if my business is in a bad spot for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I know I can dig myself out of that hole because I continue to pay my business expenses and continue to pay my payroll. I don't have to worry about losing my good employees.